Hi, my name's Jason McIntosh. I began my career way back in 1991 on the trading floor at Bankers Trust. I remember the head of trading's first words to me. He said, "Jason, you've made it to this side of the revolving door. The hardest part is staying here." That was my introduction to trading. You either make money or you move on. The markets, well, they've been part of my life ever since. Most of it has been as a trader. I've also co-founded a successful stock advisory and funds management business. Nowadays, I develop and trade my own algorithmic systems. My algorithms help me trade with a level of consistency that I could only have dreamt of when starting out. Another thing I enjoy is providing my Motion Trader subscription service. Helping everyday traders is one of the most satisfying things I do. The best part is hearing that I've helped a loss-making trader become profitable. I've found that the biggest problem for many people is deciding when to sell. Either they have a profit and aren't sure when to cash out, or a trader's losing money and they don't know when to exit. You know, many top traders can relate to this. That's because we all start from a point of no knowledge. And you know, that's what I love about this business. No one's born an expert trader. You don't need a fancy qualification or be employed by a Wall Street bank. All you need is a bit of capital and the right people to learn from. The people who've been there themselves, the people who've had the struggles and come out the other side. That's what it was like when I was starting out. But you know, I was lucky. I was lucky to find excellent mentors early on, and they made all the difference. They put me on the right path early in my career, and I haven't looked back. Many of the best traders and investors start out the same way. I sometimes wonder where I'd be if I hadn't had access to the right people early on. Maybe I would have eventually have found my way. You know, persistence and trial and error, it can work miracles, but at best my progress would have been much slower. And there's a big chance I would have crashed out like many aspiring traders. So that's what this YouTube channel is all about. It's about helping you avoid the mistakes and the big losses many people experience. I want to help you learn the right way to trade and invest, and I want to help you reach your goal without all the trial and error. Hopefully the videos on this channel make the process a bit easier. If that interests you, then I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel. All you need to do is click the subscribe button on this page and make sure you also hit the bell icon. This will ensure you receive notifications when I upload a new video. And don't worry, you won't get bombarded with notifications. I usually upload a video every couple of weeks. It's all about learning the right stuff, not any old stuff. I hope you get a lot from my channel. I want you to learn how I trade, and I want you to make my ways your ways, just like I did with my mentors and they did with theirs. And be sure to let me know if you have any questions. Just leave me a comment below and let me know what you're thinking. So hit that subscribe button now. I'm Jason McIntosh. Thanks for watching.